Hi guys and gals, it's Joy and Kaden.
And we have some Ryan swing surprises.
So we have Ryan's World Vending Machine. This is super cool.
The pink one is better than blue one.
That is so cool. I love it. So you want to make sure you turn it on right here because we forgot to do that and we couldn't figure out what was going on. Okay, so where's our money that we're going to use for this? And what does Ryan have here? What's Ryan munching on? Oh, warheads. What? What's this? A treasure chest. There's our tokens. Yay! And let's show you the side. There's Gus, Combo, Ryan. He is our favorite YouTuber.
And grapes and apples and stars and everything.
Alright, here's our monies. So sports drinks takes 3 tokens. So we're going to put 3 tokens in Combo's mouth.
One more.
Oh.
Now hit the X.
Oh, that's how we get our money back. It took 4. Who's this? Alpha Lexa lemonade. Is it Alpha Lexa in there? No, we switched it up. It's Combo.
Holding a strawberry.
Holding a strawberry. Combo is so funny. Let's get our money back. There's our change. Next up, let's get a fruit snack.
Yeah. Ooh,
That takes 4. Okay, next up, let's get some fruit snacks. Those take 4 tokens. And that's baby Sissy in the background, baby Genesis. She's a little over 1 year old. 3, 4. Uh-oh. It says I need to give it more. There's something wrong with that change. There we go. Moe's fruit snacks. What's in here? A strawberry and some grapes. Here, Kaden, have some grapes and a strawberry. Let's get our change.
I might want the strawberry.
Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it stops blinking. Yay! Red Moe's fruit snacks. Yum! What's in this one?
Hope it's not strawberry because we'll roll that.
It is. It's another strawberry.
Oh my gosh! I can't believe we get to.
And what's this? It looks like a pink peach, perhaps. Ah, that's so cool.
We get the
Let's get our change.
strawberry.
What should we get? All you had to do was walk up next to it and it just popped out. Good job. Thank you, Ryan. You're our hero. Here we go.
A pineapple and apple.
All right. An apple. Ooh, a yummy, red, crisp, crunchy apple.
The combo can have this strawberry.
And a pineapple. Oh, that's so nice of you. A crisp, delicious, fresh pineapple.
Here go, Combo.
Ooh, that's a big old strawberry for you, Combo. Yum. All right, let's get our change. And let's get one more fruit snack.
Don't worry, I have another strawberry.
Oh, good.
I have duplicate strawberries. There's 3 more corn. Here's a bigger change.
Yeah, I sure did. All right, the purple one.
Let's open.
Moe's Purple Island Punch fruit snacks. Yum, yum, yum. I think we mixed them up a little bit, though. An orange. And a banana. 3 bananas, actually.
And they don't come off.
Nope.
They're glued on.
Yep. They're in a group.
Yep.
Let's give a change. Whoop, whoop. Okay, that's it for the fruit snacks. So we have Moe's Fruit Punch fruit snacks. Infrared fruit snacks. Island Punch fruit snacks. And Berry-licious fruit snacks. Yum, yum, yum. All right, next up, Caden wants to get chips. Let's get chips next. Those are 2 tokens.
Hey, Mama.
All right. Yes, sir. Caden's got a group of bananas in his mouth.
I said we're almost out of change.
Oh no, we're almost out of change. So this is Ryan's Chips Original. There's Gus eating a chip. And there's Combo kicking a chip. What's inside here? Slime! Blue slime!
What now?
How cool, blue slime!
Let's open it. Oh my, yeah.
Very cool slime. I like it. And put it on a plate and slide it over to Caden.
Ooh.
Chips. Yellow chips. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Wonder what's in this one. It's Racer Ryan. It didn't come with that. We put Racer Ryan in there. There was body parts in there to assemble Ryan, who is right over here. And he comes with a little accessory, but we put it back in one of the containers in the vending machine. You'll never know which one until we open it.
Yes.
So cool.
We're
Ryan
so
is the best. get our change back. Shut our little doors. Next up, let's get some drinks. I'm thirsty.
Chips. Maybe chips.
Chips? Okay, chips. Oh, that one didn't take. There, that one took. Oh. Red ones. What's in here? This didn't come with it, but there's an ice cream shopkin. And a little bone.
Shopkin? It's a bone shopkin.
A bone shopkin. Clam.
Yeah, a little bit clam shopkin.
He's so adorable.
Yeah.
I don't think he's a shopkin, but he's still really cute.
Yeah, he's not shopkin. He's the one that wears a hat.
Yes, you're right.
And we don't know which hat he wears, but we didn't put in the vending machine. We didn't. But we did put one accessory.
Where is it? Let's get a sports drink next. I don't know if it's in here. Whoops. Still blinking. Let's do another one.
It's not blinking anymore.
Ooh, the yellow sports drink. Combo Panda Punch. Fruit Punch. Yum. Pow. Oh, there's that tiny little tangerine. And Shopkins ice pack. Ice cubes.
In it. Ice cubes in it.
Yeah, ice cubes in it.
And then you put in the fridge to keep your ice warm.
What did we get? Treasure Island. Look at the pirates.
That one, yeah. Maybe one accessories in there.
Maybe it is. It's got the coolest pirates. Oh, it's Ryan and the gang. Treasure Island. It's Peck.
Hi, Peck. How are you doing?
Hi, Peck. What are you munching on?
Apple.
An apple. Yum, yum, yum.
I think Peck washed it when he was eating it. I mean, he washed it and then eat it. Washed it first.
I hope he did. It's always best. Ryan water. With superhero Ryan on there. Super Ryan.
Here's your birthday cake.
Yay. And there's Alpha Alexa. With her pineapple. I have another water left. Ooh, that purple one. What's this? Penguin spring water. And there's Peck with a whole bunch of ice. Snowflakes and igloo. Look, and he's sledding. What's inside this one? What's inside this one? It's Gus. Eating grapes. Gus is pretty cool. Oh, I love it. Ryan's toys are so awesome. The green chips. What's in this one? Red slime. And that is it for Ryan's vending machine. We're going to have hours and hours of fun with this.
Yay!
Can we show them Peck?